Dear Maker Geek, please take care of this lost and lonely chop saw. We know we'll be happy with you. Anon. Come on, little fella, let's get you inside. This is the Evolution R210SMS chop saw. But I don't know what's in here. Hi, this is Maker Geek and I'm Dan. And I guess this is going to be an unboxing video. Let's see what we've got. Ooh. What we've got is some food. Some pretty high density floorboarding. Some metal conduit. Pretty beefy chunk of steel pipe. A little bit of pine and some birch ply. Well, it's very thoughtful of them to provide food for the little creature. Let's get him unboxed and get him fed. Care instructions. Sliding rails. Saw blade. Screw knobby thing. I'm sure that'll become apparent later. I'm going to go with some kind of swivel stop. Clamp. Now for the reveal. Look at the little fella. Ooh, I like the scale. Right then, how do we put this together?
that another new saw?
Yes.
How many saws do you have now?
Some? How many fountain pens do you have?
Isn't that the same as that one?
How many similar fountain pens do you have? It was just left on my doorstep. What was I going to do?
Fine.
Full disclosure, I did not buy this tool. It was sent to me. Evolution reached out just before Christmas and let me know that they were thinking about sending me a tool to just use and play with. They didn't ask me to produce a video. They didn't ask me to say or have any particular opinion about it. Just thought that I might enjoy it and that it might feature as I make things, as I tend to do. So I was glad to accept that kind offer, and I'm looking forward to using it in future projects. Evolution sent all sorts of things for me to try cutting. This is like some super dense kind of, I don't know even what it is, super high density board, I don't know. It's some kind of decking material. There's some wood, there's some channel. Let's cut to the chase. We want to cut the steel tube. So let's do this thing. I'm really digging the new clamp design that clamps round things as well as flat things. This is much better than the one on my other saw. Wow, I had really forgotten. Nice new blade, that thing goes like a hot knife through butter. I was being quite tentative at first because I just wanted to get the sense of it, but once you get a bit more confident and let it rip, it really does go through like nobody's business. A couple of things I think I've noticed even in this brief time using it that I would point out. One is that this trigger guard thing very rarely actually seems to lock in place. You need to kind of push it yourself to get that to latch. Maybe that's just this one. It doesn't really bother me, it's just that it sort of defeats the point, I think, if it doesn't latch itself. The new clamp style, or at least new compared to my other one, is much more effective. I like the shape of this. It seems to do a nice job, and I've been able to clamp a few different things in easier ways. The depth stop on this is much better. It is set up on this side. The one on my older saw, on the bigger one, is kind of under here, and it's much more of a fiddle because of the motor mount to do that. So moving it to this side was a great idea. Other than that, it's a cute little form factor by comparison. Looking forward to putting it through its paces a bit more. So yeah. Thank you, Evolution, for sending me the saw to try. I will no doubt use and abuse it much as I have my previous one. Is it ridiculous overkill for me to have 2 Evolution chop saws? Maybe. Am I looking forward to the next time that I can leave one set up on an angled degree and the other one straight? Absolutely I am. Thanks for watching, see you next time. If other tool manufacturers are out there thinking about sending me tools, I've got to say, I'm absolutely full of chop saws. So, if you're a TIG welding company, if you make metal lathes, lasers, plasma cutters, and you were thinking about sending me a chop saw to use, forget it, I've already got 2. Your chop saws are no good here.